Hello and welcome, dear students. We are embarking into the fourth week of September, beginning from the 20th of September and reaching till the Thursday, that is 24th of September. We begin this week with reading comprehension, that is where we with the literature, that is in daffodils, and we will have a listening comprehension as well. From the spelling, we have the vocabulary parade. You are expected to record your own vocabulary which you find difficult, find synonyms and antonyms pertaining to that vocabulary. And this work should be present in your notebook, showing your learning and progressing. From daffodils, we have nearly completed the reading of daffodils, the difficult words, paraphrase, summary of daffodils, and then critical appreciation of daffodils. We have reached the question answers, the textbook exercise. We were working on that. We will continue that and conclude this week. And then we have the writing. We have email writing. We have also covered paragraph writing, essay writing, speech writing, report writing, letter writing, informal letter and formal letter. We will be revising, revisiting those writings also, and including this email writing that is planned for this week. And we have vocabulary pertaining to the topic that we have been continuing. So, and we have diary entry. Diary entry will be general in nature. That means nowadays we are studying on pandemic, the research that is going on pandemic. So you are expected to record your daily recordings as a diary entry. So you will be revisiting the diary entry format also in writing. So in writing we have a lot to cover with reference to the writing formats. We are revisiting the writing formats. In the reading comprehension, we continue with unit 3. Unit 3 is a teacher's selection, that is the real life heroes. In the teacher's selection, we have already covered one particular prose and now we are proceeding to the next prose, that is something wonderful happens when you plant a seed. It's a short story about a person who planted a tree, and then we'll find out exactly what happens, what wonderful thing happens when you plant a seed. It is related to environment, and the students are expected to read and enjoy and relate it to environment. We continue with our exercise on determiners. We have already started with that topic, determiners, last week. The video is already uploaded. There are quite a number of exercises in that. At the end of that video we will be covering those exercises from determiners. And then from workbook, unit 3 workbook was given as asynchronous class in the last week. It is expected that the writing part will be covered, and we will conclude unit 3 by the end of this week. Relating to the subtopics pertaining to the literature, vocabulary parade has been explained in detail, that the students are expected to record their synonyms and antonyms, or also find meanings to the new words. From daffodils, the students were directed with all the meanings already shown in the video. But from the reading comprehension, that is from the teacher's selection, something wonderful happens when you plant a seed. Students are expected to record the new words, find the meanings on their own, and it is expected that the students use a dictionary, because the dictionary skills is prescribed by the NCERT. And then the students are expected to write the question answers. The comprehension is expected of them, and it should be in their own words. It should not be a sentence lifted from the text and written as it is. The students are expected to attempt the textbook exercise, that is direct reading comprehension and or in between the lines, and then extrapolatory questions pertaining to that. We have writing, quite a number of writing formats revisited, and the writing formats which are in the workbook. Email writing, diary entry, paragraph writing will also be covered. From reading comprehension, the students are expected to do reading comprehensions which are in their course book, teacher's selection book. The course book unit 3, all the reading comprehensions should be covered independently by the students. For the listening comprehensions will be done during the class hours and the students are expected to respond to it. The workbook exercises to be covered, it is unit 3 that is in progress. The students are expected to complete unit 3 with reference to extracurricular activities or the co-curricular connection, cross-curricular links as well. Students are expected to relate to social studies, to find real life heroes from history. With relation to Arabic, the students are expected to find 2 words from literature and translate them into Arabic. And with reference to Islamic education, students are expected to identify one hero from the Islamic history and share it in the class. The learning targets and the objectives of the NCERT remain the same. The students are tracking their progress, and I believe that by the 3rd week of September, no one will be at an emergent level. Wherever you have marked yourself as progressing, I'm sure you would have progressed and you would have met the target by the end of the 3rd week. That means anyone who has exceeded the target and done something extra by reading, by recording, by noting down information, kindly show that in your skills tracker. At the end of your 4th week, most probably the skill trackers of the 4 weeks will be collected, and you are expected to summarize your all the skills on a skill tracker to show by what week you progressed at the end and where you have met your target. Reading out the learning targets for the week, it remains the same as the previous. To identify the main idea, to identify the details, the students are expected to write this separately. Then identifying the details, identifying the main idea, identifying the sequence of ideas, and identifying events in the textual context. Non-textual material, inferring the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context, referring a dictionary, thesaurus, and encyclopedia to find meanings. I have mentioned this. Do not Google the meanings. Use Oxford Dictionary, that is advised. Then find the spelling of words while reading and writing. Ask questions, respond to questions based on text and from books and other resources. The other resources, I have already selected a few reading resources as informational texts and uploaded as videos. Please refer those videos. Those are very, very important for the examination. And then out of curiosity, asking questions and responding to the questions asked by the students in class, orally and in writing in a variety of texts. I hope that the students will refer this throughout the week and even near examinations to see if any skill has been missed out during class, during your absence, or if you have not done it during the class or it has not been pointed out. Please revisit these learning targets and make sure that you record your work in your notebook. Students who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification when I upload my next video. Thank you very much for your kind attention.